Welcome to Drive Domination. Today, we're diving into the bold future of Lexus, the all-electric LFC-L concept. A vehicle that's not just a car, but a vision of intelligent luxury and zero-emission performance. Buckle up, let's dominate the future. The LFC-L turns heads instantly, with a futuristic silhouette, sharp lines, and massive 22-inch wheels. It looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. Lexus calls it their future flagship SUV, and it shows. The sleek front fascia, digital side mirrors, and a light bar that spans the rear. It's electric luxury redefined. Step inside, and the LFC-L greets you with a minimalist yet high-tech cabin. A yoke-style steering wheel, voice-activated controls, and a fully digital dashboard set the tone. Lexus is pushing the envelope with AI integration. The car learns your preferences, routes, and even mood. That's not just driving, that's a smart partnership built on Lexus's next-gen EV platform. The LFC-L promises instant torque and near-silent acceleration. While official specs are under wraps, we expect a range over 400 miles. Dual motor, AWD, and advanced regenerative braking. Smooth, silent, and seriously fast. The LFC-L connects to the cloud, your devices, and even smart homes. Lexus envisions seamless transitions. Imagine your car adjusting your home's temperature before you arrive. It's not just transportation, it's total integration. Beyond power and luxury, the LFC-L speaks Lexus's commitment to a carbon-neutral future. Every design element, from recycled interior materials to energy-efficient systems, reflects the Lexus LFC-L. Is more than a concept, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. Smart, sustainable, stunning. Would you drive this car of tomorrow? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to Drive Domination for more futuristic reviews. Hit the bell and stay ahead of the curve.